Had a question on the AC controls on the Tesla unit. So as you can see here, we've got the engine running. I currently have the AC on, as you can see here. I can turn it off, and the blower motor still stays on. It's just the AC that is turned off. Turn it back on, and then if I want to turn, the vents off entirely, you can just do that. Okay, now. You don't have to use that method. You can control it down here. As you can see here, I've got a fan, and if I want to increase the fan speed, let's say, so what I'll do is I'll start off by touching the center fan, and then you can see you have the minus and the plus, and you have this little control panel that comes up. Now the control panel will only stay up there a few seconds, like that. Okay, so again, if I want to adjust the fan speed, and watch this over here, I can just touch the fan, and hopefully you can hear that. And hopefully I didn't blast you out. If I did, I apologize. You can lower it that way. You can also use those buttons to touch it. Okay. Now, Don had a question on how do you, go to heat. Well, in this case, I'm going to turn AC off. So I can either hit that button, and you saw it's no longer blue, or I can hit this button up here and turn off the AC. From there, you're just going to select, temperature here. So in this case, let's say I want it to be 80 degrees. Now, when I increase my fan speed, we have hot air. The cool thing that this Tesla unit does on the heating and AC that I really like is it has an auto function. So let me go over what that is real quick. So with the auto function, I'm simply gonna set the temperature. In this case, I'm gonna set it to 69.8 degrees, and I'm going to hit auto. Now I'm assuming that once it figures out that it's kind of warm in here, it's going to adjust the fan speed by itself to cool it down. Okay, let me just lower the fan speed so I can talk. But hopefully you saw that the AC automatically came on, and the fan speed shot up to whatever it was, 5 or 6, and that's that. You can also hit max AC. Oops. And you saw that the temperature went to low. So we'll go, and of course this is your window defroster, and you have your rear window defroster, and then you have max, which is of course up top. Okay, so again, I'm just going to run through this again real quick just so you can see it. So I'm gonna pump up my temperature to over 80 degrees, turn off AC, and as I said, that's going to be warm. And I'm confirming it is definitely warm. Again, you could hit your defrost, max defrost, or rear defrost. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on max AC. Just to show you, I'm going to lower the fan speed before I do that, what happens to your temperature setting as well as your fan speed. So again, AC is lit up in blue to show you that it's working. The fan went up, as well as the temperature went all the way down to the lowest setting, which is low. So how do you turn on the heat? Well, like I said, if it's confusing at all, in this case, I'm going to turn off AC, turn up my temperature to whatever I want it on, and that's it. If I want to maintain it, I would just hit auto. Okay, that's full hot. Okay, if you guys have any more questions about this, let me know and I'll make a follow-up video.